So hello viewers and welcome back to another video of Video Geeks. So in today's video we'll see what is G-Shock, and G-Shock basically means Google Summer of Code. So we'll see that how you can contribute to open source projects. There are different projects and there are just 3 or 4 steps to get started with G-Shock. And if you haven't yet contributed to G-Shock in past programs, then this video will help you to get started with G-Shock, and this is the best way that you can enhance your resume. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So to get started with it, you just need to go on Google and search G-Shock, and the first link that will show is Google Summer of Code, and this is the home page of Google Summer of Code. Okay, and there are some tutorials videos that you might want to watch, because this is the golden opportunity. And just to let you know that the applications for G-Shock is not yet started, so there is a time for you to just get started with these videos to have basic idea about what is G-Shock. And basically G-Shock is like for student. There is G-Shock is a program for student, like the student if you want to contribute to open source organizations. So this is the best platform where you will have the chance to get contribute to open source software development projects, but with the mentorship. So the contributors that are actively contributing on this open source project, they will help you. So if you want to get started with G-Shock, so there are just 3 steps. So the first step is apply. So basically the applications are for the G-Shock is yet to start, and it will start from March 24th. Then there is a code. So basically while you are applying, you need to make some document, some proposal document, in which you will describe that what are the areas for the project to be enhanced, and that will you do according to the project. And that I'll explain you that how you need to write the proposal document. So while applying, you need to make that document. Then after there is a code. So basically with the mentorship and guidance, you will have code, you will contribute to open source. And at the end of this G-Shock program, you will have your code submitted to actual repositories of open source project. So that's the basic timeline of how G-Shock is working. And while you know that what is the process of G-Shock, right? How to apply code and submit. So but before that, you might wonder that where you want to contribute. So there are lots of organizations, lots of open source projects that you will find when you click on this browse all to identify organizations. So basically when you browse the organization, that means there are lots of organizations like PostgreSQL and lots of other famous. You might find Express. Okay, there is no Express, but there are filters that you can apply. Like you want to see some projects based on artificial intelligence, AI, then you can just filter it out. Let's say you want to search see some projects on web. So there are no web projects. Let's say some security projects. So see Checker framework. Then there is a development kit. Okay, that is also that one. Let's say some networking. Okay, web projects. Okay, so for the web project you have PostgreSQL, then the Tor project, Cloud CV, Django framework, that is very popular. Then there is Apache Software Foundation. So this is how you browse the organization. And let's say now you want to contribute to this Django framework. So you just click on this, and on this project there are some list of ideas. So you can click on this button, where it will lead you to this official Django's page, right? And for this you have some project ideas, right? So here are some ideas. So you can choose on which idea you want to work, right? So there are different ideas listed over here, this, then this, then this. So you can choose that, is this idea, like you are getting this idea, you know what are the changes that you need to do for this, like working on this idea, and how you can contribute to this project. And for each idea there will be a difficulty, size, and some other common things that are mentioned. So you can choose what is the difficulty that you want to go for, like medium, then size. So basically how many hours you need to spend on this project, right? Minimum hours. You can spend more than this hours, but these are the minimum requirement for this idea. Like let's say Django templates, bring Django templates partial into core. So these are the things that you need to look out. So for this project, for this idea, this is the difficulty, and minimum you need to spend 350 hours, and this will be the mentor. So what you can do now is, let's say you got the idea that you need to work on this project. So after that you can directly go for the official communication page of this Django framework, and there you can just directly tag this person, and you can have communication before you actually apply, so that you will have the idea that what you need to write in that document. While you apply, there is one document, proposal document, right? So that you need to submit. So while this, like there is some time left before March 24. So what you can do is, you can go, click get started, you can browse the organization, you can choose wherever you want to contribute, right? Programming languages or something like that. You can just click on this project, some organization, let's say you found this organization, and then you can just click on view idea list, and it will lead you to this officials page of those particular organization. Then you can find out what is the idea that you are sure that you can work on it, and then you can just find the name of the mentor. You can just go onto official communication page, and you can have a chit chat that what are the expectation from you, like if you want to contribute on this idea. And then according to that you can mention the proposal talk. And then when this application will start, you can just go for the organization and propose the document, and then they will accept your proposal, and you will have the official mentoring session, and then contributing to that open source repository. And by doing that you will have some contribution into actual open source project, so that you can showcase those things into your resume. So this is the golden opportunity. So I suggest you should not miss this if you are an computer engineer and looking forward to open source contributions. So this is the best opportunity. Grab this and don't miss this. I hope you got the idea of G-Shock at like very base level, and comment me if you want to have a detailed video on how to write proposal documentation, and we'll make those video if you wish me to make that. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.